Okay, y'all, I got this bird feeder with a solar powered camera inside of it, and I could not be more excited. It comes with user instructions and installation instructions, as well as templates for installing it wherever you decide to hang it up. This is the solar panel. Assembly is very easy. You just attach a couple pieces together and then you can mount it. It does adjust, so you can bend it to whichever angle you need to so that it gets the best amount of sunlight. And then this just plugs directly into the bird feeder itself, which helps charge the camera. So mounting was simple. We just use these stickers to mount it to a tree right here because we have a lot of birds in our front yard. And there it is, plain and simple. And then we put the solar panel on the other side of the tree where the sun will hit it. And it just looks amazing. This took 5 minutes, y'all. So easy. And then you're going to fill the water can here at the front, which is removable. You don't have to have that there if you don't want it. And then you fill the bird feed like so, and it fills up, and the birds just land there and start eating away. So you can also download this cool fly app, and you can share your videos and get likes and comments and see other people's stuff. You can see birds, squirrels, all kinds of animals come up to these cameras, and it's so cool to share them on this platform. It also detects motion, so if you're not near your phone, it'll record some videos every time it detects motion, and you can go back and view those here. So you just click on any of those and you can see whatever motion was there at the time.